Every day, millions of people lose a battle that no one else can see. Not against another person, but against their own desires. Lust may feel harmless for a few moments, but over time it steals your focus, weakens your discipline, and keeps you away from the life you want. If you're tired of feeling trapped, here are 5 powerful steps to take back control. Step 1. Protect your eyes. Everything starts with what you watch. The more tempting content you consume, the stronger those desires become. If you truly want to change your life, stop feeding your mind with things that make the battle harder. Remember, what you repeatedly see eventually becomes what you repeatedly think about. Step 2. Stay busy with purpose. Temptation grows when your mind has nothing meaningful to do. Instead of wasting hours scrolling, use that time to work out, learn a skill, read a book, or build something that moves your life forward. A focused mind has less room for destructive habits. Step 3. Build self-discipline. Freedom doesn't come from doing whatever you feel like. It comes from controlling yourself even when no one is watching. Every time you say no to temptation, you become mentally stronger. Small victories create powerful habits. Step 4. Think about the consequences. Before giving in, ask yourself one question. Will this decision help the person I want to become? Temporary pleasure often leads to long-term regret, but self-control leads to confidence, peace, and real growth. Your future is worth more than a few moments of pleasure. Breaking free from lust won't happen in a single day, but every good choice makes you stronger than yesterday. Start today. Stay consistent. And remember, the strongest person isn't the one who defeats others. It's the one who learns to defeat themselves. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.